We getting a mad JDM wing put on the wagon. This thing just, I guess we just have to glue it to the stock wing. That's how it was just made to go on. So right now that's just resting on the stock wing. Like you can look on Charlie's right here. It's just resting right on there. And then we're just gonna run glue along the top of it and just glue it on and clamp it down. And it should be good. But first we're gonna take it off and sand it. Make sure the glue sticks. Hopefully the sander's not too much for it.
Time to ruin.
Oh, shit, hell no. Dude, do it with your hand.
Yeah, that's fine. Look, feel that. That's perfect. Just like do it like that everywhere. So much faster.
Sure. Okay.
You
What
know,
do you say?
you know I'm right. Charlie loves the wing.
I fucking hate it.
He thinks it's so sick. It's
No.
as JDM as it gets. Alright.
Dude,
Gotta
just
keep
pull
the-
it on yours, it doesn't actuator, so it gets all fucking jealous, and then he can't do anything because this is glued.
No.
Dude, this thing would look sick with just 2 hinges right here and right there.
Air
An
brake.
actuator on the back.
I'm gonna put a 3-foot spoiler on mine.
Yeah. Alright, we got the Gorilla Glue. Always pulling through. Alright, what should I do? Just a big zigzag?
Yeah, like just zigzag back and forth.
The tip's probably clogged. I don't know.
Oh, no, we're good.
Bruh. What are you
What?
doing? You don't
What?
make them fucking fatter, like.
Dude, it comes out like a pencil.
No, I know, but I'm saying
It's like the
make the
pencil
gap a
option
little
in
bit bigger.
freaking paint.
Like wider,
Yeah,
spread
like
out.
the gap bigger because that's like never gonna dry like that. No, what do you?
You do it.
I said
Like this,
dude. Like bigger. Watch.
Oh, okay.
It's like instead of doing one.
No, don't go all the way, you fucking dumbass. It doesn't go that far, you remember?
Wipe it off. Wipe it off right now before it dries.
Dude, it takes like forever to dry.
Sorry, it's not our car, so.
Dude, yeah, it's in mine.
Fuck it up while I'm going.
Fucking thing.
Nice.
That's a nice one. Dude, I don't know what the fuck happened, dude.
Dude, just start spraying out.
For your fucking eyes. Get out of here, let me get this excess off.
It's like putting syrup on pancakes.
Dude, I can't squeeze this anymore. You do this. I'm trying to hold the wing and squeeze it at the same time.
Should just take the cap off.
Damn, all uniform.
I got that rhythm, you know.
What the hell happened here, dude?
Dude,
Look at that compared to that.
It's like a toaster strudel commercial.
That's why my TIG loads look better than yours.
Oh, shut the hell up.
Like, 'cause where
You
the
know
edge
that
is
shit expands quite a bit.
Yeah, like it's gonna squish out a lot.
Especially if we have all that weight on it.
Yeah, where's it gonna go? Dude, I put a whole bunch of it in my shoe, on the outside of my shoe, and it came inside my shoe.
Why are you gluing your shoes?
Dude, I glued my shoe and I glued my sock to my shoe. Because I was still wearing it. Well, I had to work and my shoes were falling apart.
Shoe staples.
And we went out for breakfast and I had to glue my shoe. We were sitting there eating breakfast with my shoe off in Skyload.
it good?
Yeah.
He's gonna get
Tripped over the cable.
That otter box though.
Oh, I'm flipped around.
Here, plug it back in. The phone's about to die.
Ready? Yes. No. Maybe.
You're probably forgetting something important.
Nah.
Yo.
You get over there?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh. I feel like this ain't gonna work.
I feel like
It's not gonna work no more.
we say fuck it and put it on.
Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Do we need to go further? I need to go more this way now.
Nah, just
I
leave
still
it.
need to tap with the center blocks on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, what the hell is going on?
Oops.
Alright, we let the glue dry overnight. Still got the cinder blocks on there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off right now, and I'm gonna unscrew the wing, and it should be glued to the OEM wing now. And what I need to do is fill in this gap on each side with glue, because I'm not sure if you can see it, but the OEM wing is underneath right there and there's no glue. So if I like lightly pull up on it, I can still pull up right there because it's only attached on the top now, and it just flexes everything. And it would help if I glued it right there, and that'll make it more secure to the stock wing. So I'm gonna get that pulled off and get it glued. Got the wing off, and this right here is what I was talking about. This gap right in here. This is the fiberglass wing, and then this is the OEM wing. And I'm gonna take some more glue and fill this gap right here on both sides, because it's not held on at all right there. It's only all along the front. So hopefully that'll help keep the wing on there better, because I really don't want the wing to fall off while we're driving down the highway or something, because then the wing would be totaled. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in these gaps real quick. Got the glue down in there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's in there. The Gorilla Glue expands, so I wanted to make sure it got in there deep. So I'm just gonna let that sit probably overnight, and I'll throw the wing back on tomorrow. As long as Charlie doesn't fucking launch the board into it and break it. It's got twin turbos on it. Can't handle the power. While we wait for the glue to dry, got the little micro crawlers, and we set up an obstacle course. You have to go up over this, right through here. Then this pillow, we got a winch on this thing. It's homemade. You have to winch up this, come down through here, up the box, and then the finish line is right there. And I just made this, so let's see if we can get through it. First try. Oh shit. Oh no! Oh, shit. The floor's collapsing. Oh. This part's actually really hard. Oh! It fell. Whatever, we're just gonna keep going from right there. Custom winch. This winch is actually made out of like a, what are those?
Fishing
It's, like it's a lanyard, like for a card. Yeah, and I put a fish hook on the end of it. Oh. Good enough. Oh, shit.
Dead.
R.I.P. Oh, ouch. Damn, only fell twice. Alright, Charlie's gonna try it. Oh, you're fucked.
Support that pillow.
That's part of the challenge. The floor caves in.
I just want to power through it.
Yeah, it's a little dead. We normally have the power to like turn the tires through that.
Yeah,
Oh.
Charlie.
Oh, it's dying.
It's okay, we'll use the winch. Oh, the winch isn't enough. Now you're fucked. Oh, oh, oh! Alright, back up a little bit. That's mine.
Just died.
Did it die? Aw. Found a new battery. Aw. Yeah, no, like go slow right there. And keep going. The hook might automatically pop back in. No, never mind. Sometimes it'll snap back into place on its own. This part's actually probably the hardest. Because it's like impossible. Pretty much just have to like floor it and hope it lands on its wheels. Oh, or not. Damn, boy. Right here. Found the other rock crawler. Gonna have a toe off.
Ready?
In reverse.
On Kyle's go.
Ready? Go.
Dead.
Pretty much whichever one tries to go will lose, because the other one's...
Just gotta ease into it.
Yeah. They have like little locking diffs. Oh shit, Mitch, get him.